The industry has not done a great job of being transparent. I go in for an appointment, or when someone comes in to us for an appointment, or to make an appointment, there's always this skepticism of, what's going to happen this time?
When you're new to an area, you go to the dealer or another shop, and they give you this list of things they've never seen you or anybody before. That's hard to believe, hard to swallow. That creates this industry where clients don't trust the whole industry.
Help, honest help. They just want you to have their best interest and their vehicle's best interest in mind.
We want to create that transparency, whether it be pictures or education or trying to help prioritize things.
Everyone comes in with different things. If it's just a maintenance or trying to understand what you really need to spend money on or whether you don't, we can help sort out the facts from the fiction and try to help budget the things that make sense to keep safe versus just overkill on you're never going to have any problem if you do all of this all the time.
So yeah, what do I want people to feel when they leave here? I want them to feel like they were taken care of and that we were honest, and if something didn't go to plan, we want them to feel like they can call us up or come back, and we want to make it right. But I think there's plenty of opportunity to be transparent and honest with people and have a relationship, and we take care of our industry and our people and have a good living, and then also help people save money by keeping their car longer and not having to have that new car payment. Right, we come from these different backgrounds, different experiences. I think a lot of us get into this industry because we like to help people. We like to serve, we're good at fixing things, problem solving, and a genuine desire to help and serve, I think, is kind of what unites us, and I think that's what our people bring.
We have an amazing, amazing, amazing group of people here that all have one thing in common, and that is to help the client that walks through the door. Like, everyone wants to help solve your problem.
So we're going to reassure you that we've done our homework and that we've got qualified people who are part of the team. And we are all Cary Car Care, and we will all be responsible for the outcome.